Morena, good morning! Magandang umaga po sa lahat. I am here in front of Rotorua Eyesight where your journey starts, especially if you have no relatives here in Rotorua. So if you're coming from Oakland or Wellington, this is where you are dropped off by the intercity bus if you have no cars. But if you have cars, this is where the area where you can find information where to go in Rotorua, what activity you're going to do in Rotorua. They have some flyers, may mga staff dito na mag-i-introduce sa'yo. The entrance is not here. The entrance is on the side of this building. The opposite side of this building across the street is the Howard Morrison Activity Center. And beside that Howard Morrison Activity Center is also the police station of Rotorua. In this side as well is the drop-off and pickup station of the intercity bus. So dito kayo ibababa ng bus at dito kayo pipikapin kung sakaling wala kayong sasakyan. Sa gilid to may entrance, so dito kayo papasok, dito yung makikita yung mga staff na nagbibigay sa iyo ng flyers at saka ibang information. There's also coffee shop, there's also souvenir shop in here. So if you come to visit Rotorua, don't hesitate to come here in the Eyesight. You can get more information. Thank you. Bye for now.